everyone, welcome to Economy Shown. Today we are driving into UGC NET Paper 2 Economics 2022 previous year question, where we will break down challenging questions, provide detailed answers, and explain the reasoning behind eliminating incorrect options. So join me as we explore the world of economics and crack the UGC NET Paper 2 together. So fine, let's get started. So the first question is the irrelevance of money for real variable in the classical system is called A. Fiscal neutrality, B. Monetary neutrality, C. Exchange rate neutrality, D. Technological neutrality. So your time starts now. So the answer is B. Yani monetary neutrality. Because in classical economics, monetary neutrality refers to the idea that change in money supply do not affect real variables such as output or GDP, employment, real interest rate, and real wage. So this means that an increase or decrease in the real supply money supply will only affect nominal variable like price and exchange rate, but not real variable. Got it? And why we eliminate other options like fiscal, exchange rate, and technical neutrality? Because the fiscal neutrality refers to the idea that government spending or taxation does not affect the overall level of economic activity. This concept is related to fiscal policy, not monetary policy, right? So, exchange rate neutrality, what it means? It means the idea that change in exchange rate do not affect trade balance or economic activity. This concept is related to international trade, not monetary policy. Technical neutrality or technical progress or changes refers to the improvement in production technology which can affect real variable but not related with the classical one. So it was the wrong answer. Question number 2, arrange the following in ascending order. Growth rate of gross national income at constant price of India in 2015 to 16. Growth rate of national income at constant price of India in 2016 to 17. सब कुछ सेम ही है बस 2017 to 18, 18 to 19, 19 to 20. Okay, so arrange it in the ascending order. Your time starts now. Answer. The correct answer is C. यानी E होची first in 2019 to 20 तापरे होची D तापरे होची C and then A and B. Okay. You can also check this data from their official website. So 2015 to 16 8%, 16 to 17 7.1%, and 2017 to 18 7%, and 2018 to 19 6.9%, and 19 to 20 4.2%. It was the least one because affected by the COVID-19. Okay, so C was the correct answer. Okay, question number 3, a bag contains 20. Okay, so tickets marked with number 1 to 20. One ticket is drawn at random. Find the probability that it will be multiple of 2 or 5. Okay. So option is 0.7, 0.9, 0.6, and 0.3. Your time starts now. Time's up. Answer is 0.6. So to find the probability that the drawn ticket is a multiple of 2 or 5, we need to count the favorable outcome and divide it by the total number of outcome, right? So favorable outcome is the multiple of 2 or 5. So multiple of 2 is 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20. Okay, so 10 numbers. Multiple of 5s. 5, 10, 15. And we have multiples of 2, 10 numbers, and multiples of 5, 4 numbers. So the common multipliers are 10 and 20. So by eliminating these two tickets, we have the total favorable outcomes is 12. So the total probability is number of favorable outcome by total outcome. So the probability is 12 by 20 equals to 0. 0.6. So 0. 0.6 is the right answer. Next question. Given below are two statements. Statement 1, taking advantages of the increased demand for staple during the COVID-19 pandemic, Indian agriculture exports continue to do well in 2021 to 22. And statement 2 is luck in the 2020 to 2021 year statement like marine product, buffalo meat, tea, coffee, and dairy product continue to perform poorly in terms of export from India in 2021 to 22. In the light of the above statement, choose the correct answer from the option below given below. A. Both statement 1 and statement 2 are true. Both statement 1 and statement 2 are false. Statement 1 is true, but statement 2 is false. Statement 1 is false, but statement 2 is true. Okay, so your time starts now. Answer is C. Segment 1 is true, but segment 2 is false because India agricultural exports performed well in 2021 to 22 due to increased demand for staples during the COVID-19 pandemic, whereas the segment 2, like marine products, buffalo meat, tea, coffee, dairy products, actually saw growth in export from India 2021-22, contrary to the statement. And you can check this from the source Ministry of Commerce and Industry, Export Inspection Council of India, and Agriculture and Processed Food Product Export Development Authority APEDA. Got it? From their official website, you can check this. Question number 5. Match the following list 1 with list 2. List 1 rural urban migration. B. Economic development with unlimited supply of labor. And C. Process of cumulative causation. D. Decline in term of trade, a primary commodity. And list 2 Arthur Lewis. And 2 Gardner Medal. Third Ralph Purvis. And Harish Tadaro. As the following. Okay, time's up. Answer is B. So, in case of match the following or like this, you have to use elimination rule. Okay. So here, what you know that the economic development with unlimited supply of labor is the Arthur Lewis model, right? So B is I. So here is the answer B from the first clue, right? So, rural urban migration is given by Tadaro and process of cumulative causation is given by Gunnar Medard and decline in term of trade of primary commodity is given by Travis. Okay. So next question. Real and nominal income is calculated respective at a current and constant price B. Constant and current price. C. Constant price. Current and current price. So your time starts now. Time's up. Your answer is B. Constant and current prices. Because we use real and nominal income calculation at constant and current price to account for inflation and accurately measure economic growth. And in this formula, we use a base year, right? So base year means ki, uh, which is a stable year. Got it? Next question: match labor force with the appropriate item from among the following options. Total workforce, employed plus unemployed, total educated manpower, population in the age group 15 to 60. So labor force ଆମେ କାହାକୁ ବୋଲି କହିବା? Your time starts now. Is it total workforce or employed plus unemployed or total educated manpower and population in the age group 15 to 16? Okay, so time's up. Here the answer is employed plus unemployed. Employed as well as unemployed are called labor force. And people aged in between 15 to 64. So it is 60 अच्छी so आमे को eliminate कर देले. Total educated जो माने uneducated ताको आमे labor force नबानी की नबा. तो जे total workforce. Total workforce is a labor force, but total आमे कही परिबेनी सेटा ही total होची labor force. काहेकि ना workforce is just a sub part or sub कଣ set of labor force. Labor force होची total. Okay. And workforce सेटार गोटे part जेमती कि आमे inferior goods कहबा और inferior good रो गोटे part होची given good. ମାନେ ଜଷ୍ଟ ଏକ୍ଜାମ୍ପଲ୍ ପାଇଁ ସେମିତି ଲେବର ଫୋର୍ସର ଜଷ୍ଟ ଗୋଟେ ପାର୍ଟ ହେଉଛି କ'ଣ ୱାର୍କ ଫୋର୍ସ. ତ ଟୋଟାଲ ୱାର୍କ ଫୋର୍ସକୁ ବି ଆମେ ଲେବର ଫୋର୍ସ କହିପାରିବାନି. ସୋ ଯେତେ ବି ଅନଏମ୍ପ୍ଲଏଡ୍ ଅଛନ୍ତି ଆଉ ଯେତେ ବି ଏମ୍ପ୍ଲଏଡ୍ ଅଛନ୍ତି in the age group of 15 to 64 is called କ'ଣ labor force. You can also check the age group if you have any doubt in the Google. Next question: in which year gross domestic saving rate was the highest? 2004 to 5, 2007 to 8, 2011 to 12, 2016 to 17. Your time starts now. So time's up. The answer is B. 2007 to 2008. Because the gross domestic saving rate was highest in 2007 and 2008. During this period, the India experienced significant economic growth driven by industries like manufacturing, construction, and services. So the uh, gross saving was at its peak, and actually the exact percentage is not available, and I could not find that exact percentage of 2007 to 8, but it was highest at that time. Okay, you can check this from National Portal of India or Union Public Service Commission. यानी यूपीएससी जो वेबसाइट अच्छी ता सेठी जाइंकी जो चेक करिवो सेथिरु भी चेक करि पारबो या फिर नेशनल पोर्टल ऑफ इंडिया सेथिरु भी जाइंकी तमे ऑफिशियल वेबसाइट रो चेक करि पारबो. So next question: with reference to the view of classical on public debt, which of the following are correct? A. Future financing get more troublesome due to public debt. Public debt lead to a reduction of resources for productive private employment. Increased public debt lead to currency depreciation and deflationary situation in the economy. Debt financing require fund for interest payment and amortization, hence a double burden of uh, executors. Public debt leads to productive activities. Choose the most appropriate answer from the option given below. Your time starts now. Ops. Okay. So the answer is D. A, B, and D only. Because the classical economist view on public debt was a uh, future financing get more troublesome due to public debt. Classical economists actually argued that public debt increases the burden on future generation, making it challenging to finance government expenditures. Okay, and B, which is public debt leads to a reduction of resources for productive private employment. They believe that public debt crowd out private investment, right? Like reducing resources available for productive activities. So it was also right. C, which was increasing public debt leads to currency depreciation and deflation situation in the economy. It was incorrect because the increase in public debt led to currency depreciation and deflation situation is not a classical economist view. They associated debt with inflation. Okay, next E. Sorry, D. Debt financing require fund for interest payment and amortizing, hence a double burden for execution. Okay, classical economists emphasize that public debt created double burden, right? Paying interest and amortizing the debt. So it was also right. E, yani public debt leads to productive activities, but it was wrong. Okay, so the answer is D. Next, in Harder-Dummer model, if the growth rate of income is 8% and the capital output ratio is 4%, then the saving rate must be option A 32%, option B 2%, C 36%, D half percent. Your time starts now. So Harrod-Dummer model assumes that economic growth is driven by saving and investment, right? So if the growth rate of income is 8% and capital output ratio is 4%, okay, then the saving rate must be. The answer is A and 32%. How we calculate saving rate in Harrod-Dummer model? So saving rate equals to the growth rate of income into the capital output ratio, right? So 0.08 into 0.04 equals to 0.32, yani 32%. Got it? So that's for today. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, please like, share, subscribe for more such informative content. Due to time constraint, we could not cover all questions today, but don't worry, we will tackle the remaining one in our next video. Stay tuned and stay informed. Share this video with your friends and help spread knowledge. Thanks again, and I will see you in my next video. Join my Telegram channel to access over 150 plus standard economy books like Misra Puri, Uma Kapla, Dat Sundaram of Indian Economics, and many more. And class PDFs of my YouTube channel and regular mock test for UGC NET based on the previous year questions and personalized guidance and also job opportunity updates. Okay, so join me on my Telegram channel. Comment section रे मुझे पिन करदेवी सेठू चाहिए तमें आराम से जॉइन कर पारिबो. So thanks again for support. I will see you in my next video. Thank you.